Bonjour French Chic ladies! Today I'm going to show you 4 ways to wear a scarf, and by the end of this video you will know how to accessorize your outfits really nicely. So please give me a big yes below in the comments to let me know that you are going to enjoy this video. My name is Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com and howtobechicandelegant.com, and I have helped tens of thousands of women upgrade their style via my personal style consultancy, my courses, my French Chic Academy, my best-selling books. And please look in the description below for the links to these beautiful scarves. First of all, if you are new here, please click like and subscribe and click on the little bell to receive notifications. So are you ready? Let's get to it. So the first way to tie your scarf is this one I want to show you. This is my favorite one. You must have seen it, me wearing it in many of my videos. So you take your scarf like this, fold it on the diagonal. You put it like this in front of your neck and you make a circle like this to the front. And you make a little double knot. So one simple one, one double one. To help you, you can knot it at the front and then push it to the side after. This is what I do when I do it. I tie it at the front and I push it slightly to the side. I prefer it, you know, the knot at the side. I think it's a little bit more elegant. So tie it like this, and then you push in the ends inside like this, so it looks neater. And like this. So this is the first way. This is the way I wear this scarf. Now this other way is like a twist in the scarf. So I hope you will like this one. So it is really easy. So you put your scarf around your neck like this. So you twist the two ends once and twice. And what you do is you make the knot at the back. Make the knot at the back, one little knot, a second little knot, and you can tuck in the end if you want, or tuck them into your top, depends on what you are wearing. And look at the front now. You have a kind of a twist like this. I think it looks really nice, and I like to wear this one at the front. What do you think? Please let me know below. So the next way is to wear your square silk scarf in a point like this. And this is especially good if you wear it with a shirt. You have the collar on either side and you have the point that looks really chic. So how to do this? So you have your scarf in a triangle first, and it is very simple. So you tie it like this, so you put the point at the front like this. So the top is going to be a little bit longer than the one at the bottom. It's a little bit more difficult on the mannequin. And what you do is you cross it at the back and you make a couple little knots at the front, and really this is so easy. So one little knot and two little knots, that just will keep it in place. And what you do is you put this over it, so you hide the knot underneath. So when you have your shirt, you would put your collar around it like this, and it will look really smart. And there you are. So another way to tie a silk scarf. So the last way is these beautiful flowers. So this one is a little bit different, because you take your scarf and you make a knot on a diagonal like this. See? So it makes a triangle. Make a little knot here. So one little knot and another one. Okay? Okay. Now you have that knot, you hold it like this. And you grab the two ends like this. Okay, I've got the two ends, and you do this. Now look, you've got a little flower. Okay, so you've got your little flower now. All you have to do is tie it around your neck, and I like to position it to the little, again to the side. So put it on your neck like this, position it to the side, and then you make a neat knot at the back. So you're gonna have to adjust it, of course, because as you know, silk slides a little bit. So you make little adjustment before the end. So you can tuck in, you know, the back of the knot in your top or in your sweater, and you really tidy up the flower really well. And here you are. That's lovely little flower like this. So please let me know what you think of the 4 ways to tie these scarves, and let me know which one is your favorite. So please look in the description below for the links to the beautiful scarves from LilySilk and Aspinal of London. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and share the videos. Don't forget to comment. And oh yes, by the way, from now on you will see one video on Monday and one video on Friday. So I hope you will join us soon. So speak to you soon. À bientôt.